Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. I hope you're all well at home. Here we go then, we are back with the results of close-up coins. Did anyone manage to guess 10 of these £2 coins correctly? We started off with the abomination of the slave trade, followed up by the Trinity House. Coin number 3, a difficult one. It was indeed the William Shakespeare Histories. Coin number 4 is another William Shakespeare coin, and it's the William Shakespeare Tragedies. Definitely one of my favourite £2 coins in UK circulation. Talking of £2 coins, definitely do check out the next video. It is going to be the next round of the £2 coin knockout, and I am definitely excited for that one. I still have no idea which £2 coin is going to make it all the way to the final. Charles Darwin's was coin number 6, followed up by the William Shakespeare Comedies, coin number 7. We move on to coin number 8, and it was indeed the First World War commemorative, 1914 to 1918 at the bottom, 2016 there, the year of issue, and again I'm sure a lot of you will have stumbled across that coin. We move on to the 2006 Brunel, and we finish off with the Florence Nightingale £2 coin, definitely another one of my favourites. A huge shout out to Norman, Graham, Smithy, Ian, Strudwick and Squirreling Coins, all 10 out of 10. If you did comment and it didn't save, I really do apologise. Please do let me know and I will give you a shout out in the next close-up coins video, which will be going up tomorrow. Again, plenty of videos coming today. We're going to have the next round of the £2 coin knockout coming up next. We've also got some nice 50p coin hunts coming up, and don't forget you do have until 7 PM today if you do want to play along on Guess Dan's Coins. I really do hope you all have an amazing day. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.